Let's talk about some AI features in the gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's open up a photo and tap on edit. Now I will see this button here. This is the AI button. Tap on it. Now this is a generative edit. Now if I want to remove these cars from the road, I can tap on them and they will be selected, or I can draw around them and they will be selected. Now I'll long press on them and press this erase button. Now they have been erased and I'll just tap generate and they will fill the image using AI. So it's now sculpting new scenery, and boom, the cars are gone and the remaining space is being filled by AI. Press done. Now another thing you can do here is that you can tap on this AI button and let's say your photo is crooked, you can straighten it, and now you see these empty spaces around the borders. You can tap on generate and now this will use AI to generate these empty spaces around the photo, and let's see how this does. So you can see that it has used the data from the photo to fill these borders. Moving on, you can also remove shadows from these photos. So for example, we have this shadow here in this photo. On the photo, tap on this I button and it will give me options itself. So now I will tap erase shadows and it will analyze the shadows itself and it's gone. It does a pretty good job of erasing these shadows. Now you can save the photo as it, or you can save it as a copy as well. Next up, you can also remove background from any photo by long pressing on the photo and holding it, and it will then separate the object from its background. Now you can save it as a separate image, or you can long press on it and save it as a sticker as well. Now another really cool feature that they have added here is tap to slow down any video. So if you tap on any video, it will slow it down. Next up, you can also add background blur after the fact. So simply tap on the I button, and if it's a portrait, this option will appear here, background blur. Tap on it and this will add background blur using AI, and then you can obviously choose the strength of this background blur in your photos and then press save.